Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing with you our family of 5 morning routine, and let's just get right into it. In the morning, our kids have a little light that tells them when they're able to get out of bed and get their fires or their iPads, and the light turns purple. That means you can come and get your electronics. Tanner was still sleeping. My boys share a bedroom, so Chris just left his little fire right on his bed. Next, Chris gets in the shower, and then I start to wake up when Ella wakes up. The first thing that I do when I wake up is take my thyroid medication. I have to take it every single day for my Hashimoto's hypothyroidism. So that's what I do before I do anything else. And then Chris and I will make the bed together. We have had days when we wake up at 5 a.m., but lately Ella has been nursing in the middle of the night still, and it's just been really wearing me out. So that is why we haven't had our 5 a.m. mornings in a while. But once we get back to sleeping, I love a good 5 a.m. morning. But right now I'm back to my non-morning person ways. I shower and blow dry my hair the night before just because the mornings are so hectic and it will take way too long for me to get ready. So I'm just turning on my curling wand and then I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. Ella likes to have her time in the morning to herself. It's really cute, and she just likes her privacy in the morning to do her thing. And while she does that, I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I also upload as I'm getting ready. While I finish up getting ready, Chris is downstairs. He makes us celery juice every morning, and he also will let the dogs out and just get the dogs' breakfast ready. Next, I put on my oils for the day. Almost every day I use progestins on my wrist, and that is just a natural progesterone made from wild yams in an oil. It just really helps me with my hormones and everything like that. And then I also do a little bit of Endoflex right over my thyroid just to help out with my slow moving thyroid. Now we are together downstairs and we're just going to get the kids' drinks ready. Every morning they drink some water. They have an option to have a little bit of juice mixed in with their water once a day, which is a big step for us because we used to mix juice in their waters all the time, but we are out of doing that, and I'm so grateful because I just feel like it makes them eat more and it's just overall healthier. I also like to run my diffuser in the morning, and the oils that I'm using now are 2 drops of joy and 2 drops of lemon, and this is just a great refreshing morning blend. It just wakes you up and smells really fresh and clean. Ella had fallen back asleep, which she does sometimes, and now she's finally awake and ready to get out. She always lets me know when she's ready, and she's always just so happy in the morning. It's a great way to start my day. She's the sweetest thing in the world. I'll go ahead, open up her blinds, change her, and then nurse her. If you're new here, Ella is 18 months old, and she is still nursing. She's not weaning at all, but it's okay. I'm fine with it. And now that she's done nursing, she stole my phone and somehow like just takes pictures of her feet every single day. I have like an entire album of just pictures that she's taken, and she just likes taking pictures of her feet. It's so funny. Also, she's at the age where she tells me no to certain things. Like I picked out a little dress for her and she just straight up told me no, and this is how we get ready in the morning. It takes her quite a bit. Now the boys' light is turning green. Once their light is green, they know that they can get out of bed. The electronics is just something that they get in the morning mostly. Carter gets his at quiet time sometimes too, but we try to limit screen time. But in the morning, they just have to have it. That's the only way we're able to get ready. And at one point, they were waking up at like 5:30 in the morning, and we just couldn't have it. And that's why we made it so the light turns purple. They have to wait for that, because otherwise they would wake up at 5:30 and go on their fire. The light really works though, because they'll fall back asleep instead of just like getting up. Something that has changed from our previous morning routine is that the kids get dressed right away. It just makes life easier, and we just pray that they don't get food on their outfits before school. And then I also always bring down the laundry in the morning, as well as all of the diapers from the night before. Now that the whole family is downstairs, everyone just picks an easy breakfast, and they are having some Vans blueberry waffles. Super easy and healthy, and they always have some kind of fruit with their meal. But today we are having a smoothie. I've been trying to incorporate more smoothies into our diets, and just, it's a great way to get some spinach into them. They have no problem eating fruit, but this is the only way that I can get them to get some greens into them. Once in a while, 2 out of 3 of my kids will eat an avocado or some green beans or some broccoli, but it just feels good to start our day with a nutritious smoothie, and the whole family will drink this. So we're trying to limit and maybe even eliminate dairy from her diet because of her eczema. We're always just like trying new things for her skin because it's just bad. We're going to get her actually allergy tested soon, just so we can pinpoint it. So that is why she's getting the dairy-free cream cheese on her waffle, which I actually absolutely love that dairy-free cream cheese. Now that breakfast is finished, we have made them like these little activity bins. We haven't made one for Ella yet because I'm trying to figure out what to put in there that she won't put in her mouth, because she's always putting like small pieces and things like that in her mouth. I can't trust her. So right now she is using her little puzzle. This will just give Chris and I a minute to clean up for breakfast and just get everything ready for school. Also at this time, I give them all of their supplements. So Carter and Tanner are on the same supplements, but Ella's are a little different because of her age. So this has been something that we've been doing since we've been sick, like all winter, and I feel like it's helping. I also take these supplements, and Carter is like really just has a horrible time with taking elderberry syrup, so he has a gummy, but Ella and Tanner are fine with the syrup. Depending on the situation and like what's going on, we always do a load of laundry every single morning, and we always unload the dishwasher because the night before we always run the dishwasher before bed. So today Chris is doing it. A lot of times we'll both do it, but he's doing this while I'm just getting everybody's vitamins ready and continuing to clean. Now it is time to brush our teeth and get ready, and I swear I have all kinds of hacks up my sleeve to make the morning easier because I just need the mornings to start off like calm and not crazy and hectic. It just like sets the tone for the day. So stay tuned because on Sunday I will have a morning mom hacks video for you. Now that hair and teeth are brushed, it's time to get out the door. I would love recommendations on like a healthier hairspray because I do not want my family using that aerosol hairspray, but I just haven't found anything to replace it yet. So if you have a natural hairspray, let me know because gel doesn't work for my family, especially Chris. He needs hairspray. Carter is very like task oriented. He loves checking things off, so our little morning to-do list really helps us, and he loves it and just keeps us on track. On this particular day, Ella had to have this hat and these sunglasses, and it just thought it was the cutest thing in the entire world, and I don't know, it just cracked me up. Because of filming, we were running late with coffee, so Chris just had his hot coffee and I had my iced coffee, and we brought it on the road with us. And while Chris finishes getting the kids in the car, I always just start a load of laundry every single morning. It's like the only way for us to stay on track. That doesn't mean that clothes get folded every day, but the clothes are definitely washed and dried every day. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. I started a hashtag that is hashtag this is real life, just to kind of like get rid of that highlight reel, and I just have to show you clips of my life that are real life from today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you'd like to see our nighttime routine. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram and hashtag this is real life.
So this just happened?
Hi everyone, welcome to the Tiffani Show. Today we have a super fun show and we have lots. How about we should go with you? You want to wear this? You want to wear this? No? Hi! Okay.
Good morning.
Hi guys, it's me, Tina. Oh my goodness. I'm just giving you a ball. Hey! Let me come up. I think now. Put the crown back.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.